In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access disk management on your Windows computer quickly and easily. This guide will help you navigate through to the Disk Management utility, an essential tool for managing your computer's storage devices, such as hard drives and SSDs. Whether you're looking to check disk capacity, partition drives, or perform other disk-related tasks, accessing disk management is your starting point. To begin this process, make sure you're on your desktop. This is where we'll start our journey. The desktop is your main screen that you see after your computer boots up, and it's a hub for accessing your files, applications, and system settings. Once you're there, we can perform a simple keyboard shortcut to open the necessary menu. Press the Windows plus X keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This combination might sound new to some, but it's a nifty shortcut that opens a powerful yet often overlooked menu known as the Power User menu. This menu is a streamlined entry point to some of the most crucial tools and settings on your Windows machine. You'll notice this menu pops up at the lower left corner of your screen, sitting quietly on your taskbar. It's a quick way to access many of the administrative tools without having to wade through various control panel settings or menus. Once the Power User menu is visible, you'll want to look for an option labeled Disk Management. Disk management is a valuable utility for the oversight and manipulation of your drives. It allows you to view the existing partitions, format drives, assign drive letters, and perform other essential tasks. Simply find and click on Disk Management in the list. This click will launch the Disk Management utility. What you're seeing now is a graphical representation of the disks connected to your computer. It's an essential view for anyone looking to manage their storage devices effectively. Here you can observe your storage device's layout, manage partitions, and handle other related tasks. Remember that while disk management offers a lot of control over how your disks are organized and maintained, it's important to proceed with caution. Making changes to any disks or partitions can affect data, so ensure that you back up any important files before making adjustments. And that's it. You're done. By following these easy steps, you've successfully navigated to disk management without any hassle. The process you've just completed not only highlights the utility of keyboard shortcuts, but also demonstrates the simplicity of managing your computer's internal components. It's a straightforward procedure, but one that is fundamental to efficiently managing your system's storage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in accessing key areas of your computer. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time.